Mina ngiyindoda ilemale kakhulu.
When it rains, it pours.
Sakhona nesidingo sokuthi umuntu wesi5 usalusa umthatha.
Kunale attitude loza nayo izosidelaya.
Season 9 of Utando Nestembi is upon us. The trailer is out, and let me tell you, my dear, everybody's going through it. There's no VIP seat in the Msaleko household. Everybody, when I say everybody, I mean everybody, even Msaleko himself. He's beside himself that Mzumbe is now abandoned as all his wives now have new homes outside of the home state. Or Simba Bakem, Tomini himself sweeping. My eyes were not ready for that, Shem. I won't lie. They were not ready for that. And before we go any further, can I just say that Msaleko and his family are carrying Mzansi Magic on their backs? Can I just say that, please? They're carrying the whole country on their backs when it comes to reality TV. The authenticness of it, even though here and there are scripts, but hands down, they are the Kardashians of South, okay? Anyway, now that I got that off my chest, it seems Baba K is full of regrets. He is.
Mina ngiyindoda ilemale kakhulu. eMzumbe akunamuntu ogadile wasala uMzumbe ufile.
Yobona amakhosikazi ekushili ngoba wena sokubakhele enye option yokuthi bakushile.
Kukhona ama-decisions that come back to bite you.
Meanwhile, Mayeni regrets ever getting back together with Msaleko.
It's a decision wrong ngokuthi ngibuyelane noMsaleko.
And ama-consequences akhona, they affect umndeni wonke.
And let me tell you, whoever edited this trailer was so petty, it's not even funny, because tell me why immediately after she said that they showed Mamkul. Oh, Makumalo, my dear Makumalo, who stood for her marriage even when this man selfishly denied trying other means of having kids. That time he has millions of kids, but he was selfish enough to say, oh, I don't believe in that, when Makumalo wanted to try other ways of having kids. And she still stood by him even after that selfish decision, knowing very well how much she wants a baby. And instead of helping her make that happen, he then went and married a girl from her own village. He then went and said he wants to rebuild Makumalo's home because there's no child there. Oh, my heart breaks for Makumalo Sham. My heart breaks every time for Makumalo. I just wish for her that she could leave this man. I don't believe in divorce, but when it comes to this game of polygamy, I just wish Makumalo can leave this man and meet someone who will fully appreciate her and fully commit to her and give her the family she so dearly deserves.
I know I've given my all until I lost myself in the process.
When it rains, it pours.
Besakhona nesidingo sokuthi umuntu wesi5 usalusa umthatha.
Hearing her say she lost herself in the process, that was so sad to see. The way she broke down and everything. Man, I just want better. I just wish and want better for her. And I don't think to this point that Msaleko is aware of the pain Makumalo carries. Our Coco Melon, on the other hand, is in limbo. She doesn't know whether she's coming or going.
Anything past 2 years, we are stretching it.
Yabona le attitude loza nayo izosidelaya.
It's bad. I never thought I'd see the day where Coco Melon Samke herself would be giving her man attitude. I never thought I would see that day. My jaw is still literally on the floor. The face, the attitude, everything. Oh my God. Oh my goodness.
Abangazi mina ngingasancinci. Mehambile uhambile.
Msaleko doesn't care at this point. I think they had threatened to leave for far too long. It doesn't bother him anymore.
Mehleli uhleli.
Ubukeka sengathi umthombeni ufike kwaqingeje. Indlu kaMsaleko iyanethwa ngempela.
Otherwise, let's continue this in the comment section. Also, remember to subscribe, like, share. Until next time, bye, and thank you for watching.